Can't find DuckDuckGo's AI assistant? It's hidden in plain sight. I'll show you exactly where to click. So here's the thing. DuckDuckGo has this really powerful AI chat feature built right into their search engine. But for some reason, they don't exactly put it front and center. If you've been hunting around their homepage wondering where it went, you're not alone. A lot of people miss it because it's tucked away in a spot that's easy to overlook. But once I walk you through it, you'll see exactly where it lives, and you'll be able to find it again in just a few seconds. All right, so here's our plan. First, we're going to the DuckDuckGo website. Then we'll look for the AI chat option on the homepage or in the menu. That's really all there is to it. Let's start at the beginning. Open up your browser and head over to DuckDuckGo.com. Just type it in the address bar like you normally would. This is the main search page you've probably seen 100 times before. And that's actually part of why the AI feature is so easy to miss. It blends right in with the regular search interface. But don't worry, we're going to spot it together. Now, look around the homepage. You're probably used to seeing the search bar right there in the middle, maybe some weather or news widgets below it. But what you're really looking for is a little button or link that says AI chat. Sometimes it's labeled Duck.ai instead. It's not always in the same spot, which is part of the confusion. On some browsers and screen sizes, you'll find it near the top of the page, maybe next to the search bar or up in the header area. But if you scroll down a bit and still don't see it, don't panic. Here's the trick, and I've tested this on multiple devices, so I know it works. Look for the menu icon, that little 3-line hamburger symbol up in the top corner. Click that, and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through that menu and you'll definitely find AI chat listed there. That's your golden ticket. So whether you see it on the main page or you have to dig into the menu, that's where it lives. Go ahead and click that AI chat option. This will open up the DuckDuckGo AI Assistant interface. It might take a second to load, but usually it's pretty fast. And now you're in. You've made it past the hidden doorway. So now that you're inside the AI chat window, you'll see a text box at the bottom, just like you'd expect with any chat app. This is where you type your question or prompt. Think of it like talking to a really smart friend. You can ask it anything: how to fix a leaky faucet, explain a complicated topic, help you write an email, whatever you need. Just type it out naturally. No special commands or fancy formatting required. Once you've got your question typed, there are 2 ways to send it. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Send button. That's usually an arrow icon next to the text box. Either way works exactly the same. Go ahead and do that now. Now, here's one little step I want to pause on because it catches some people off guard. The very first time you use the AI assistant, you'll get a pop-up asking you to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service. This is pretty standard for any AI tool these days. Just click the Continue button and you're good to go. No need to overthink it. And after that, you're all set. Your question will go through and the AI will start responding. And that's it. You've gone from not being able to find the feature to chatting with it in under a minute. The next time you come back, you won't even have to think about where to look. It'll be right where we left it.